Okay, Jer Bear, what is it? It's upside down. Daddy put it upside down. Looks like... I'm not gonna say it out loud because he doesn't know what it is yet. 7 foot. Okay, I'll say it. My first trampoline. I don't know if he knows what that means. But this mama is pretty excited. High density flexible foam pad protects or covers 100% of steel frame on top and sides. Cool. I'm really excited about this. Here we go. We're gonna open it up.
Finished product installed. Having fun, Jer Bear? Jump. Now we just got to figure out how to move it off of the porch onto the grass.
Boing, boing, boing. Crash. I think he loves it. What do you think? Are we gonna sleep good tonight?